Today I want to show you the crypto game Simple Tap. It's a great opportunity to earn points. The game is new and just recently released. I'll share the links for registration below. We have a Telegram app where you can join 2 million players and 1 million subscribers. The community is quite large. This project already has a working app that's in use now. Let's take a look. In this app, you can buy various coins like euros and USD. The app looks good and, as I understand, you can also stake here and earn rewards. Overall, the app is functional. As for the main features, there are several ways to earn. There's farming that refreshes every 8 hours and tapping, which gives you points. Right now, I have 2 taps available. You press and it increases. You get 100 taps that constantly refresh, and every 8 hours, you farm coins. Besides this, there is a task column with several tasks you can complete to earn additional points. For example, joining the Telegram channel gives you 100 coins, joining Instagram gives you 200 coins, and so on. Recently, the app got a boost update. You can upgrade the number of taps from 100 to 200, as I have it set now. You can pay with the same coins to increase farming, so you get more coins. For example, I have level 8 blockchain and level 3 stable coins, earning me 47 coins per hour. There's also an investment section where you can upgrade further. This is basically how you can increase your coin farming speed. Next, we go to invites and bonuses. You can invite friends and get 10% of their earnings, which is a great way to boost your income. Share your referral link with those who will actively participate in farming. The app is quite extensive, and I think the project is good. It doesn't take much time. You can check in the morning and evening to collect coins. I hope this airdrop will bring us good rewards. Follow the link in the description to download Simple Tap. Thank you, everyone.